business-related capacity building of artists. Because as you may know, artists are outstanding in creativity, but their knowledge of business is close to zero. So the purpose of this project is precisely to give them the business-related knowledge so as they can start up new businesses or manage culture-related organizations or at least understand the business-related world. The specific objective is to reinforce the employability of artists through building their capacities to match the business needs. And the specific objectives are educating culture managers and facilitators to manage artistic and culture projects. And obviously, as I mentioned before, provide artists with business-related training as well. So we have the two of them. We have education, and we also have training in the evaluation of training, business-related training. The consortia has 5 partners. Mainly there is Estonian Academy of Music and Theatre, the coordinator of the project. The second partner is the University of Arts, Helsinki, Sibelius Academy, this is music, the Academy of Music of Helsinki. The third partner is Laurea, this is applied university. It's similar to the German applied universities, very practical. And fourth, like our polytechnicas, let's say, the fourth partner is the University of the Basque Country, and the fifth one is the Student Business School. Well, as people involved in the project from the University of the Basque Country, there are Beatrice Plaza and Victoria Arteca Mestoy. And the working packages are the first, obviously, coordination. The main purpose of the project is to develop and test e-learning platforms and internships to precisely build up these capacities in artists. Then there is a procedure of quality evaluation of the educational programs. Not only the theoretical education programs, but also the internships. Then there is a working package on sustainability to see whether it is these education modules could be implemented at different universities, and at the end, the dissemination of the project. As you can see, it has just started. We had the kickoff meeting in Estonia. This was in October, so this was about a month and a half ago, and it will long 30 months. Thank you very much for your attention. Do you have any question? So as I said, I would be brief, and that's it. Very brief. Do you have any question?
Is your program as an objective to teach artists how to manage their business, or how to find the managers who can help them?
No. It is a capacity building of artists. So they already have now in their curricula enterprise-related subjects, but still it's not enough. Mm-hmm. So this is why, based on the cooperation between the Academy of Art and Theatre in Estonia and the Business School, they have built up this common educational model. It is at the master level. It's not at the graduate level.
Major problems for quite many artists among us is that they've got a lack of talent in terms of artistic views, but a lack of talent in terms of business model. So I think it's really, really important, and I wish you, I'm delighted to be in contact with you in a further developed process.
Yeah, thank you very much. It is clear that innovation happen at the in-between fields more and more. I mean, before we used to be in economics or business or ICT or arts, but nowadays in innovation studies, we see that the real innovations happen in the in-between fields.
Any other question? Right, so we can start with the...
Okay, thank you very much.
With the last session. This is going to be chaired by Victor Ginsburg, and he will manage.